We are pleased to announce 2 new programs for 2024, now available to our FleetLeads subscribers. FleetLeads, as you may know, is an on-demand database marketing platform that provides comprehensive contact information on 750,000 fleet administrators managing 2 or more vehicles. Since its launch in 2000, FleetLeads has been instrumental in acquiring new customers for major oil companies and third-party fuel card processors. The first program is an exclusive landing page that highlights your technology while blocking competitors. This landing page features a detailed description of your products and services, along with links to your website, social media pages, resource library, and contact information. Your profile will be part of a searchable knowledge base containing over 500 supplier profiles. This means all fleet administrators associated with non-competing suppliers will have access to the technical information found in your profile. This is a significant advantage since you will benefit by reaching new fleet administrators who respond to the marketing campaigns of other suppliers. The second program enhancement is a turnkey marketing solution provided by Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration, FMW. We know that fleet administrators want reliable data on government regulations, incentives, and the total cost of ownership for the technologies they are evaluating. By utilizing location data, your FleetLeads landing page will connect fleet administrators with their local Clean Cities Coalition partner to provide this information. FMW has developed preset media and direct marketing programs customized for FleetLeads subscribers. These programs are designed to attract fleet administrators to your landing page while alleviating much of the project management burden from your internal marketing staff. This quick start guide covers 5 activities: creating an account, downloading sample FleetLeads records, subscribing, setting up your landing page, and contacting us for help along the way. First, create an account. Clean Cities Coalition members should use the CC Register link, while suppliers should use the Supplier Register link. This step is necessary for security reasons. Rest assured, you will not be exposed to any unwanted emails, tracking cookies, or sharing of personal information. Next, view the FleetLeads overview video and download a sample file. You can find the video by clicking your profile icon and then FleetLeads in the drop-down menu. The FleetLeads marketing file contains contact information for over 750,000 fleets operating 2 or more vehicles. All mail and email addresses have been verified as deliverable. Subscribing is the third step. To subscribe, click on your profile icon, select Company Plan, and view your subscription plan. Your subscription plan includes a 1-week trial, which you can cancel within 1 week at no charge. The monthly subscription can also be canceled at any time. By subscribing, you gain full access to all FleetLeads features, including your supplier profile is unlocked and placed at the top of the homepage. Your Contact Us functionality is enabled. Your research is featured in the Resources library. You have forum moderator rights. Your Share functionality removes competitor profiles from the supplier directory. And you receive 20,000 FleetLeads records. After subscribing to FleetLeads, complete the setup of your landing page. Instructions can be found by clicking your profile icon, Start Here, and then Setup Guide. This video will walk you through the following steps: updating your supplier profile, sharing your landing page with fellow fleet professionals, creating a QR code for use in your print and digital marketing campaigns, adding social media icons to your website, downloading FleetLeads records, contacting Fleet Management Weekly for marketing support. FleetLeads is designed to be user-friendly, but we understand that you might need assistance from our support team along the way. To contact us, click your profile icon and then Contact Us. There, you can send us a message, and we will respond via email as soon as possible. Depending on the nature of your question, we may schedule a call or screen share session on Microsoft Teams or Zoom. You are encouraged to share this quick start video with your sales and marketing team, specifically to the person who would coordinate with FMW and the Fleet Wiki support team. We are here to ensure you have the best experience possible with FleetLeads and our new marketing support programs.